welcome back to my channel. So today I will be revisiting some of my OG natural hair products. These products are products that I always used to use in the beginning of my natural hair journey. I actually started off my natural hair journey with these products and I haven't used them in a while, so I wanted to revisit them and see how they work on my hair. Will these products work just as well as they used to? I guess we're gonna find out.
Alright y'all, so the products I'll be using for today's wash day is from Hair Rules, and I'm starting off by wetting my hair, starting off my wash day on an old silk press. So I'm just wetting my hair to prepare for my cleansing cream. So once my hair is nice and wet, I'll be using the Suds cleansing cream, and I'm just working that into my scalp and then letting the water from the cleansing cream just go right down to the rest of my hair. When I'm using this cleansing cream, I really try to focus more so on my scalp, and then I focus on the ends of my hair last. Next, I follow up with the Quench Ultra Rich Conditioner, and this I focus more so on the ends of my hair rather than my scalp. And this just gives my hair a really soft feel, and it also is great for detangling. You can use this as a deep conditioner, or you can just use it as your regular daily conditioner, or you can use it as a co-wash. So it's very versatile in how you can use it. So I left the conditioner in for about 10 minutes and then I just rinsed it out, and it rinses out so easy, and once you rinse it out, your hair will be super soft. Next, I follow up with the Nourishment leave-in conditioner, and this is a very lightweight leave-in conditioner, and I use this right before adding my styler, and I just section my hair off into 2 sections rather than smaller sections, just because you don't really need a lot, but it is a good prep step for your styler. After adding the leave-in, I follow up with the Curly Whip. This is one of my favorite hair products ever. I used to use this back in the day, and it still works for me to this day. I love it. So this is kind of like your hair gel. So after you apply the leave-in, you would apply the Curly Whip, and I usually section my hair off into 4 sections and apply the product, making sure I am adding water as I'm adding the product, because you want to make sure that your hair is soaking wet when you apply the Curly Whip. My last step, once my hair is all dry, I follow up with the Hydrating Finishing Balm. Now this is just your last step in your Hair Rules hair routine, and you use this as like your daily moisturizer as well. Once my hair is dry, I use the finishing balm to fluff out my curls, and then I just use it every day until I'm ready for another wash day. So if you're ever having trouble with moisture, you can see the difference in my hair. My hair does not get frizzy when I use this, and it just adds a little moisture and shine to your curls, and you're ready to go. You can bring this with you on the go, or you can just use it in the morning and you'll be all set for the rest of the day. here I am with my 4-day-old curls. What you think? What you think? I just like to say that my hair is super soft, like pillow soft, shiny, and it feels so moisturized right now. And like day 4 curls, seriously? With minimal frizz and a lot of volume? Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Yes. So now I'm going to just show you really quick my hair routine from 2011. Don't judge me. I filmed this on my MacBook Pro at the time. I was in college. Yeah. So I will say back in 2011 when I was using these products consistently, I felt like every single time I used them, I had an amazing wash day. Okay, but my hair was not the healthiest, which is why my results look different back then than they do now. I have much better results because of the health of my hair. So yeah, now let's get into the cringy MacBook video right there. Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to do your hair, do natural hair, that is, using Hair Rules hair product. I'm gonna take my headband off. This is how my hair is, and basically from this point actually all I have to do is use a spray water bottle and just shake it into whatever place I want it if I want to wear it out. So I'm about to go wash my hair and then I will see you guys later. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair, as you can see, like, still dripping wet. Put this back. Use this, which is the best thing ever, which is the Hair Rules Curly Whip styling for curly hair. And this is the 16-ounce bottle, which I think everybody should get the big bottle, even when you start out, because you're gonna love it. It's kind of thick, so but don't be shy to using a lot of product, because you know you can use a little bit, but it's safer to use a lot. But once my hair dries, it's gonna get bigger, and that's the look I'm going for. Usually, however your hair dries, however your hair is when it's wet, like right now, it will get a little bit bigger, but not too much. And usually how your hair, when your hair is wet, it'll stay this way. So this is how my hair is gonna look when it's dry. Side, front. And here's the back. So as you can see, I am explaining what products I'm using, how I'm gonna use it. I don't show how I use it in the shower like I did in this video, but you don't need to worry about that anyway, because back then my hair was not as healthy, like I said, as it is now. So the results I got back then, just looking at it, I'm like,
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I thought that that was a good wash day. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And sign up for my mailing list on my website, loganlamar.com. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.